Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everyone about it. And that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. Happy customers that leave great feedback like this motivates us to want to keep them happy by providing the best service possible to each and every one of them, each and every time. It's that simple. And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. We are only one call away from serving you.